Okay, this is the last section that we're going to do today. This is March 23rd, 2020, Dormer, solving equations. And we're looking at the linear equation system solving using substitution. And again, you have your math notebook and you are going to write this down so that you can have an understanding of what to do and how to go about doing it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start looking at our equation. So our equation is right over here. Okay. And we're going to try to work it out to see what is occurring. So we have y is equal to 10 minus 5x, and y is equal to 15 minus 10x. And what we're going to do is a substitution. So we're going to start out by substituting 10 minus 5x into y. All right, and so you end up with 10 minus 5x because x is y, and y is equal to 15 minus 10x. So they're equal. So now you have an equation with a variable on both sides. And so now you can have the process of solving for this particular equation. So here I'm going to get rid of this one here. So I say plus 5x, and what I do on one side of the equal sign, I have to do on the other side of the equal sign. So plus 5x over here. So I bring down my 10 and my 15, and I end up with equation 10 equals 15 minus 5x. And so what I end up with here is my 10. Okay, so let me go ahead and change that. So this will be a 10 on this side. Okay, so I have to change a few things here. And now I have 15 on this side. So it'll be 15 minus 5x. Okay, so I jumped a little bit ahead of myself here. Okay, so hopefully everyone can see that. So the next step that I would do is go ahead and get rid of that 15. So I have negative 15 over here, negative 15 over here, and negative 15 over here. So when I do that, put my line over here to make me know what's going on. So I have negative 5x is equal to, this is 0, so I have to put anything, and I just bring this down. Okay, so now I have negative 5x is equal to negative 5 is equal to negative 5x. And now I'm going to get rid of this negative 5 here, so I'll divide both sides by 5. What I do on one side, I must do on the other side. So this becomes 1 is equal to x. And now I can go ahead and solve for y. So what I would do is take this here and place it into here and place it into here. All right, and I have this equation that's located right over here. And so when I do that, this is what I get. 10 minus 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 times 1 is 10, so 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. So my x is equal to 1, and my y is equal to 5. Okay, so let's work on one in which we have an equation associated, a fraction associated with it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and erase this. And hopefully you can always pause it and write it down in your math notebook. So rectangular section. Okay, so my next one, go back to pencil, is y equals 2x plus 8, and y is equal to 8x plus 2. Okay, so again, what I would do is substitute this into y. So when I do that, I now have the following. 2x plus 8 is equal to 8x plus 2. All right, so let's go ahead and solve this. Let me get rid of this, so negative 2x. This comes down, right? And so I end up with another negative 2x over here. So now I have the following. 8 is equal to 6x plus 2. Okay, I want to get rid of this plus 2, so the negative 2 over here, and then a negative 2 over here. So that gives me the following. So this would be 6 and 6x. So this is easy because now I just get rid of this side as 6. This by 6, this becomes 1, and x is equal to 1. All right, and so now I can do my substitution. 2x, 2 times 1, okay, plus 8 is equal to 10. And then here I have 2, not 2, the next equation should be 8. Erase this. Okay, so I have 8 times 1 plus 2 is equal to 10. So my x is equal to 1 and my y is equal to 10. Okay, hopefully that helps. You'll see your assignment for today. Have a good day. Thank you.